How to see deleted messages on Messenger. If the messages are truly deleted, your next option is to download your Messenger data. Open a browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account and click on the menu in the top right corner. Navigate to Settings and find your Facebook information. Click on Download your information. It asks to choose your account after selecting. Follow some on-screen instructions. Ensure only Messages is selected to keep the file size manageable. Choose your date range. After setting your preferences, click Create File. You'll receive a notification when your file is ready to download. Click on the Download option. Then it asks for your account password. Enter it for verification. Then, download the zip file. Go back to the Files app and open the downloaded file. So now it will extract. Now open the extracted file and open the Your Facebook Activity folder. Click on the Message folder. Here, click on the Inbox. Now, open the folder of the person whom you want to see deleted messages. Browse through the folders to find specific conversations with timestamps. And that's it.